This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Inshot and importing the clip where the face is clearly visible. Make sure you use the correct aspect ratio for your platform. This avoids cropping later. Once imported, trim to the moment you want to track and lock that timing in, because tracking follows the selected frames. If needed, record a short dedicated pass with steady movement. This simplifies tracking and reduces errors. You'll now be ready to add a sticker or overlay to attach to the face. You place the sticker or overlay roughly over the face, then tap the overlay and choose the tracking or motion feature. Inshot analyzes frames and follows that face area. Watch the preview to verify alignment. Once the auto track runs, make small adjustments to size, rotation, and anchor point. These keep the overlay natural as the head tilts. If tracking slips, you can add keyframes at problem moments to nudge position, because manual correction tightens the result without redoing the whole track. You should render a short test export to confirm the overlay stays locked throughout the motion. This catches drift before full export. If the track drifts, rerun tracking on a shorter selection around the problem or add corrective keyframes at the drift points. Make sure lighting and contrast are clear in the frames, because low contrast reduces tracking accuracy. Once satisfied, export the full video with your chosen resolution and bitrate. If problems persist, try a steadier source clip or a higher contrast marker on the face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.